we chilled out for about an hour, and now we're gonna go upstairs for a breakfast. I'll be cooking, I always do. You have to shoot the way up there. Hey Taylor.
Hi. Hello world.
What are we doing right now?
We are waiting 2 minutes and 36 seconds on some Mexican style pizza rolls, which I've never had.
How many is there?
I think there's 40, right?
Yeah, we're gonna
devour 40 pizza rolls and probably
eat all 40, folks. Eat all 40.
Probably get sick. Ooh, I already had some of these.
Yeah, we already had a couple packs to go.
One pack.
You ate 2.
You had 1.
No, I had a couple out of that first one. She likes to eat a lot of gushers, since I ate half of them.
For the audience, smells like heaven.
We've been getting a lot of peace teas lately. My favorite's the green tea. Taylor's favorite's the lemon and tea. But now they have lemonade and tea, like your kind of like your Arnold Palmer's, but they obviously can't call it that because of copyright situations. So it's called Caddyshack, which is pretty funny. It's good. Taylor's first try.
Pretty good.
Those folks are about to be gone.
Sour cream.
2 people, 40 pizza rolls.
Sour cream.
Disgusting. Here it goes.
Where is it? So it's been really hot here the past week, I think, and it's just not raining. And yesterday we put the hose in the pool, and now it's raining, so hopefully the pool doesn't overflow or bust. Jaryn, if you see him walking, he's running. He has to go put the horse, which is way back there. You probably can't see. You can still see him running, though. He has to go put the horse back in the barn. But hopefully the pool's okay, because it looks really, really full. Oh, I hope he doesn't get struck by lightning. You can barely see him, that, widest dot way back there. I don't even see him. Did he fall? He did fall. Oh my god.